As every winter is followed by spring, so it seems every Mercedes-Benz model will be followed by a more powerful AMG variant. Less than a year after announcing the 2024 Mercedes-Benz CLE-class to replace the two-door versions of the C-class and E-class, Mercedes-AMG has confirmed an AMG variant called the CLE53. As the numbers suggest, the CLE53 Coupe will split the difference in power between the 402 HP C43 sedan and the awe-inspiring 677 horsepower of the C63. Both of those models are powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 with varying levels of hybrid assist, but the CLE retains a 6-cylinder engine. The CLE produces 443 horsepower from its turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-6 and uses a 48-volt hybrid system for a power boost at low engine speeds. According to Mercedes, the powertrain is good for a 4.0-second sprint to 60 miles per hour and a top speed of 155 miles per hour, but we think it will be quicker than that given that the less powerful C43 got to 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds in our testing. AMG says that it has made significant tweaks to this version of the engine compared with other uses of the inline-6. The combustion chambers are optimized with redesigned inlet and outlet channels and new piston rings, and there's also a new turbocharger. The turbo works in conjunction with an electric auxiliary compressor that can increase boost pressure to 22 psi and provide an overboost function for up to 12 seconds at a time. The CLE53 is fitted with Mercedes's rear-biased 4-MODIC all-wheel drive system, which decouples the front axle when it isn't required. The same 9-speed automatic transmission found in other AMG models, which has a clutch pack instead of a torque converter, is standard equipment. The CLE53 is also equipped with rear-wheel steering, and 19-inch wheels are standard, with 20 inches optional. You could be forgiven for mistaking the rear end of the CLE53 for that of the standard CLE-class. That's because there aren't many visual changes for the rear, outside of the badging, of course, and the wider rear track. There is an optional AMG Performance Studio package that adds trim pieces to the front and rear fascia, as well as the spoiler lip and rear diffuser board seen here. The changes up front are considerably more exciting, with a more aggressive hood and an AMG-styled front bumper and grille that give the CLE53 an angrier look than the standard version. The front fenders are wider by 2.3 inches while the rears are a full 3.0 inches wider than those on the standard CLE Coupe. The interior features the same 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and an 11.9-inch central display as the standard coupe. The seats are covered in MB-Tex and microfiber upholstery as standard, with the option to switch to Nappa leather with embossed AMG crests in the front headrests. An optional AMG Performance seat package swaps the standard buckets for seats with more pronounced bolsters. The regular steering wheel is replaced with a flat-bottom AMG steering wheel wrapped in Nappa leather with aluminum shift paddles. Mercedes hasn't announced when the CLE53 will go on sale yet, though we're expecting to see it sometime next year. We're also expecting pricing to fall somewhere between the C43 and C63 sticker prices, likely around $85,000 when it eventually goes on sale.